Hey there! So what do you do for self-care? Stay tuned to find out how I ensure I get self-care. Welcome to Teach and Reach YouTube channel. On this channel, I share tips, tricks, and strategies for online teaching in order to educate, empower, and elevate ourselves to be better educators. I am so sorry that I've been away for 2 months and not post anything on this channel. I promise to do better, okay? Pinky square. I've been so busy with my From Fearful Fido to Confident Canine online dog training course for the last 2 months that I have not had time to post anything on this channel. I assure you this channel is still very important to me, and I will do my best to post weekly. Well, today I'll be sharing with you what I do to ensure I get self-care. In case you don't already know me, I am originally from Singapore and I've not been able to visit my family all of last year and this year due to the pandemic and travel restrictions to Singapore. You need to be Singapore citizens or permanent residents, or you need to have like a certain visa to work there for you to be able to visit. They don't just allow tourists. So if I were to travel to Singapore now, I'll be traveling on a tourist visa on my US passport, so I can't travel. I still have family there. My 77-year-old mom, my sister, my brother, they're all there, including my relatives, all my cousins and aunts and whatnot. All right, my yearly self-care though does include a trip there at least once a year to meet with my family, all right, to enjoy the Singapore food, to enjoy my mom's cooking, my mom's food, to just get, one-on-one love, right? It's very different when it is virtual or when it's on the phone. It's so nice to be in the company of people that raised you, people that lived with you when you were in your formative years, right? And so I'm obviously missing that. Well, it's now close to about 2 years since I've been back. That's a long time. So when you can't get to Singapore, you bring Singapore to you. Or since I can't get to Singapore, I've decided to bring Singapore to me. Watch and see what got me excited today. Okay, this is my big box from Singapore. Thanks to my sister and mom. It's a huge box. I know it cost several $100s actually to ship it, like 300 something Singapore dollars. It's quite expensive, but it's going to be worth it. Hey there, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button and click on that bell, and make sure you like this video as well and comment as well. I will be sure to reply to your comments. You can't go to Singapore, you bring Singapore to you. I'm not able to go visit Singapore since the pandemic, since COVID, because I am no longer a Singapore citizen. So I can't go in. I'm not even a PR. I gave up my citizenship. So if I were to enter, I would be entering as a tourist, even though I have family there. So the next best thing to do when you're missing home is to bring home back to you. And so I asked my sister and my mom to help me. And what better way than to bring food that is from Singapore. So I'm going to unbox the box that was sent to me. Took about 2 weeks to get here. I think my sister spent I think it's about $300 something to just ship it here. I gotta get unboxing this. I had to put my dogs away on the other side. So if you've been wondering where I've been lately, well, I know this is a channel on tips and tricks for ESL teachers. Tips and tricks of strategies of what you can do online. Today I'm not sharing that with you. I'm actually sharing self-care for teachers, online teachers, and just teachers alike. So my self-care is bringing a little bit of Singapore back into my world here in the US, because I'm missing my first home a lot. So let me just unbox this so we can see what are the goodies that my sister and my mom got me that I can't get over here. Okay, here we go. My sis got me the salted egg fish skin. It's yummy. It's really, really good. to eat on its own, or you can put it in rice porridge, boiled rice, right? Rice porridge, yummy. They're also very expensive if you order it on Amazon here. She got me this one as well. Awesome. And she got me the Irvin brand as well. Really yummy. And this huge, what is this? This is the 230 grams, big one. And she got me two of them. Two salted egg fish skin. So I'll be able to make rice porridges and put this in it, as well as just eat it like that. Or when I eat rice, I can also put some of this. So let me go put this away. And then I also asked her to look for this, and she managed to find it. I love this growing up. It's tapioca. It's tapioca with chili spices. All right, there are little bags in here. So what I'm planning to do is actually bringing a bag to my son this weekend when I go visit him. I'll share with this. I think she got more than, I think it was like 6 bags maybe, or maybe 3. I have 3 here. 3. Yeah, maybe only 3. I also asked her to get me the bakwa, which is the barbecue pork with chili in it. It's small. It tastes really good. I usually just eat it like that, but you could eat it with bread if you wanted to, like a sandwich kind of thing. Okay. And then when you buy the bakwa from Bichenghang, you get a bag. So she sent a bag to me as well. Lots of other goodies here. So let's see. I also wanted the Maggi mee. I like asam laksa. They do not have asam laksa here. So she got me 2 packets of it. 1 asam laksa and 2 asam laksa Maggi mee. So I'm good to go. 1 for each. I think there are like 6 in here, so 1 a month. And then, let's see, there are lots of stuff. Oh, she got me the salted egg yolk paste too that I can use when I cook, right? For when I use it with shrimp. Bill doesn't eat seafood, so I'll be enjoying this all by myself. Save the last bits for last because my mom made some stuff for me as well. Oh, wait. There's more fish skin, but this is tom yum. Yum! That's really yummy. Okay, tom yum. I'm going to show you all the little goodies that some of these we can actually get it here, but some you can't. Maybe we can get hot flakes here. Hot flakes. This dried plum stuff, kana. More kana stuff, dried plum stuff, more dried plum, more whole flakes, salted jujube. I got like 2 bottles of it. More preserved plum, seedless plum, more preserved plum. More jujube. See what else here. Oh, I think this is for my mom. She gave me a reusable mask, Forever Family reusable mask from Singapore. See, there's the Singapore logo there. It's the merlion. All right. I'm gonna have to try it. So I got 3 of those. And then, let's see. My mama said sent this along. Soft towels. I can always use kitchen towels. I know we can get kitchen towels here, but you know, Give it to me. I'll be using it. Elephant ears. And, oh, more hot flakes. Oh, wait. Yeah. There's more sour plums. Sour plum. Sour plum. I'm good to go with sour plums. Like lots of sour plums. Need this. Alright, here comes the stuff that you cannot get here. Okay. My mom made me cashew nut cookies. Cashew nut cookies, so they're cashew nut on it, right? But the cookies itself, the cookies itself is also has cashew nuts in it. It's really yummy. I think each one of us got a bottle. I may think twice about sharing it. Let's see. Well, I'll share it. But I gotta hide my bottle away. I'll share it, but I'll hide my bottle away so that nobody else gets to my bottle. Let's see. Yes. Another bottle, cashew nuts. See, that's two. She also made pineapple tarts. And you can't get pineapple tarts here. Well, not my mom's pineapple tarts. You can't get it here. So that's worth it, especially when I have not had it since 2019, since we didn't get to go back last year because of COVID. We're supposed to go back in April, spend Mother's Day with her, but everything was canceled. Okay, let's see. So she makes all these cookies and then she puts it in this container that looks like, oh, it's store-bought, but it's not. It's just that she just saves all these containers that she gets, over time, or she gets people to save it for her, and then she just reuses them. So that way she doesn't have to buy these containers, and I don't have to worry about, oh, I have to save it because my mom bought the container. So it's a little bit messed up here, but those are like little pineapple tarts. They are like a butter mixture baked with pineapple jam like mixture on it, and then she bakes it. So that's one here. I'm pretty sure she made it for Bill as well. I think I found the third cashew nut bottle. This arrived today, which is Thursday of Holy Week, right? Also known as Maundy Thursday or Holy Thursday, a couple of days before Easter. It's like the Easter Bunny came to visit me early. There we go. Let's see. More cashew nuts. So one for me, one for Bill, and one for Joshua. And then there was another type of cookies that I really love. I could make it on my own, but it never really comes out the same like when my mom makes it. So I asked her if she could make it for me, and she did, as she usually does. It's the Quaker Oats. It's made with Quaker Oats and it's got chocolate in it. Quaker Oat cookies. More pineapple tarts. No one else makes pineapple tarts like my mom, so something to savor. More pineapple tarts. I think there might be 3 as well. One for me, one for Bill, and one for Joshua. So this is perfect timing because I'm going to go visit Joshua this Saturday, day before Easter. It's not coming back. There, more pineapple tarts. So it's perfect timing. Got like 4 more things here. I know what the other 2 bottles are, so we can't find it here. I've asked the grocery stores that carry all the Asian food kind, or like the Asian grocery stores, and they told me nope, they don't carry it. But we like this brand of chili sauce quite a bit because it is very, very spicy. We eat it with our Saturday and Sunday morning breakfast. So it is the extra hot Simpson extra hot chili sauce by Simpson. It is really yummy. Bill is addicted to it, so am I. So because they're heavy, I only had my sister buy me 2. That's only going to last us probably like maybe 3 or 4 months. That's it. But we have 2 bottles of this. I know that I got my sister to get 2 bottles. There's one more right here. So whoever it is that packed this box did a really good job. I'm not sure whether it was my mom or my sis, but they did a really good job. Nothing was broken. Everything looks good and intact. Nothing really was smashed either. And between the Singapore post office and the US postal stuff, they did a really, really good job. And I don't think customs even opened the box because I didn't see any notice about it. So we have 2 Simpson extra hot chili sauce that we're looking forward to savoring with our breakfast on Saturdays and Sundays for the next couple months. Looks like, I don't know what this is. Oh, maybe it's salted fish. Maybe that's what my dogs were smelling. It is, I think it is. Ah, yes it is. So, salted fish. It's a special type of salted fish that I really, really like. Mom cooked it, fried it, put it in a bag. So what I do here, I'm not going to eat all of it at one time because they're very salty. Is what I do is I put it in the fridge. Well, I'll take some of them and actually freeze it, and then the other half I'll put it in a container and put it in the fridge. And then when I eat my rice porridge or food and I want something like that, I will take it out. Okay, so I gotta make sure I put it in the new Ziploc bag immediately because there's a hole in that one. I might have accidentally cut into it. So here we go, salted fish. That was a nice surprise because I didn't ask for it. And what did she get me? Oh, she got me kaya. So kaya is made out of eggs, right? The XO kaya. You can have it with bread, toasted bread. Yep. That's it. That was my that was all the delivery that I got in this big huge box. Okay. So yeah, that was my self-care box. I'm going to enjoy all the goodies that my mom and sister sent over to me. I actually started enjoying it last night already, and so did Bill. He enjoyed the cashew nut cookies last night. I started eating some of the snacks today. And then if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and like this video and comment on it. What do you do for self-care? I do a lot of other things for self-care as well. I used to go to get a professional massage every 2 weeks. I'm not getting it anymore because of COVID. Although I'm fully inoculated from the vaccine, I am still very, very cautious about where I go. I also love to go out to restaurants. I haven't been out eating at restaurants. We usually, if we order anything at all, it's usually takeout and have them send it over to us. We love to travel. Haven't been traveling at all. So this self-care is something that I could enjoy at home, at any time of the day. And so having something from my homeland means something to me, something that I could look forward to, at different times of the day or at different times of the week. So tell me about what you do for self-care, because this is so important for you to take care of yourself, right? Not just work, and nothing to look forward to. So what do you look forward to? What is self-care to you?